Here's a little box that I made. Back during the Katrina hurricane days. I was working on my sister's house, and one evening I thought I'll just throw this thing together just out of some scrap that I had laying around. And it turned out pretty good, I guess. Still plan on putting some drawers and a divider where to have 2 drawers in it. And probably need to resand it and put some kind of stain and varnish on it. But I think it come out pretty decent. It had 2 or 3 pieces of trim had come off of it, came unglued during the Hurricane Harvey, but other than that, it looks like it came out pretty good. Alrighty. That will be all, I guess. Thanks. Bye.